So, yesterday I finished my nail polish remover wipes. I usually throw the boxes, but this time, artist in me wants to create something out of it. Let's turn this cute little box into a tiny ring case. First, soak the box into the water so that any sticker or glue marks on it will be removed. So I soaked this box for at least 10 minutes, but the stick was not coming out, so I soaked it again for like 15 minutes. Then at least a little came out. I think the glue they used was very good quality. So I used a little bit of soap and then it came out finally. It was a bit sticky though. It's okay. Just apply gesso over it. So gesso is necessary, otherwise your color will come out easily because it's plastic and I'm using acrylic colors. Don't use any watercolors or poster colors, use acrylic color. So the next step is drawing. This is a little tricky part because not everybody has a good drawing, but it is the easiest drawing. So just make rectangle first, and then for the bird part we'll make the branch diagonally, and then we just have to make the silhouette of the bird, not the whole bird, just the silhouette. And we'll repeat it at the back side of the box also. And then the other step, which is coloring. Yes, this is the most exciting part, but you have to choose very thin brushes for this. And please don't panic if your color goes out of the line or the edges. We can always correct it because it's acrylic color. Just color over it again. And for this background part, I have used light blue and dark blue. Here I played with the consistency of color. In the background I've used more water, and in foreground I've used more color. Here also I'm using more water, so it will look like very light green. And here I'm directly using black color, though it is looking like dark blue, but it is black. I've made the branches first, and after that I'll make the fruits. As you can see, I'm just making some dots. You have to make the gesture and impression of the fruits, not the real fruits. If you want to make leaves, you can add leaves also. And after this I was thinking what flowers to add, maybe light blue color, but I preferred white because it was looking more good. It was popping up, so I'm using white. You can also use pink flowers or any other flower color you want. Maybe yellow you can also use. After this, just apply a varnish. I am using a glossy varnish because I love my painting to shine. But if you prefer your painting to look matte, then you can use matte varnish also. Then we will repeat the same thing at the back side of this box, and it is done. Now it's time to put the real thing inside of it, and that is rings. I'm putting my collection of rings. You can also choose your maybe earrings or ear tops, and you can put it inside, and it's really cute. After making this box, I'm so inspired to make other boxes too, so stay tuned. And I'm going to make another mini paintings like this on objects. Let's see what's the next. And I would love to see your version of this mini ring box. So share your creations and like and subscribe.